I'm Celebrity Chef Mariko, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Gouda cheese, spinach, and artichoke dip. I absolutely love spinach dip, but it's even better when you add some smoked Gouda to it. There's something so delicious about the combination of smoke and the artichokes that makes this dip delicious. So to get started, you'll want a mixing bowl and then add a 1/4 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Normally, spinach dip has a lot of sour cream and mayonnaise in it, but you can get all the flavor, all the creamy consistency without any of the fat or the calories. So I've got about a 1/4 cup here. And then I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of spinach. This is frozen spinach that I have thawed and squeezed all the water out of. Okay, that's about a 1/2 cup. Then I'm gonna add my smoked Gouda. This will be about a 1/2 cup of grated smoked Gouda. All right. I absolutely love Gouda in this recipe. Okay, then you wanna add 1 little jar. That's gonna be about 4 ounces of chopped up marinated artichoke hearts. I really love artichokes in spinach dip, especially the marinated kind, because they already have a lot of great seasonings to them that make them a great addition to this recipe. Now I'm just gonna blend everything together until it is well mixed. So this recipe is gonna taste really great cold on its own, or you could even bake it in the oven if you like a hot, bubbly dip. So I would put it in the oven in an oven-safe dish at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, now that everything's combined, I'm gonna put it in a little serving bowl. And now it is ready to bake, or it's ready to serve with your favorite chips, crackers, or bread. This is Mariko showing you how to make a Gouda cheese, spinach, and artichoke dip. Enjoy.